Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a quick and efficient way to handle blank cells in your Excel data. Instead of filling them one by one, we can do it all in just a few clicks. Looking at our dataset, you can see several gaps where data is missing. If we want to fill these, perhaps with a 0 or a specific label, we first need to select the entire data range. Click anywhere in your data and press Ctrl+A to select the whole table. Now, we need to tell Excel to find only the blank cells within this selection. Go to the Home tab, move over to the Editing group, and click on Find and Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Go to Special. A dialog box will appear. Select the option for blanks and click OK. You'll notice that now only the empty cells in your table are highlighted. With the blanks selected, you can now format them all at once. For example, let's highlight them by choosing a fill color from the ribbon. This makes it very easy to see exactly where the gaps were. And that's it! You've successfully identified and formatted every blank cell in your sheet in seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe to EduLab for more Excel tips.